Hey everyone, welcome back to QSolve. I'm Taslim. Today we are checking out the Blink Video Doorbell, one of the easiest and most affordable smart doorbells on the market. Let's start by unboxing the box. Inside the box, you will find the SYNC module that connects the doorbell to your Wi-Fi. Blink adds SYNC module core with this package. You can put the power cable in here. Next, we have Blink Video Doorbell itself, which is compact and powerful. On the top there is a camera, and in the back there is a button, and in the back you can see two metal frames for time wearing. If you remove the back cover, you can see there is 3 compartments for double lithium batteries. Blink also includes a few mounting hardware like screws, screw shells and covers and other external elements. There is also 2 cable connectors and finally 3 double lithium batteries. Also include a pin for reset. Also include a metal frame and angle frame for door. I almost forgot to tell about the power cable and power adapter. Blink includes everything for easy installation in use. Next, let's set it up. Open up Blink Home app on your smartphone and try to connect the SYNC module. Just hold the SYNC module on the back of your smartphone to scan the QR code and it will automatically connect. Now power the SYNC module and connect it with your smartphone. After a few moments, it will automatically connect. The same way you can connect the video doorbell with your smartphone. Just follow the instruction carefully. Installing this is super easy. You can mount it with screws on the wall or in the door. You can install it wire-free or connect it with existing time wiring. To unlock the doorbell from the mount, use the provided key to unlock it. Replacing the batteries is straightforward. Insert the 3 double lithium batteries into the doorbell. On the front, you can see a red light flashing, which means it's ready. In my previous Blink Outdoor 4 videos, few of my audience says they need spare batteries. That's why I bring a few spare batteries. I'll leave a link in the description so you always know where to get them. Overall, this is a great choice if you want a reliable, easy to use smart doorbell without spending too much. Another thing I like is the customer support. Blink has an online guide and a responsive help center if you run into issues. Overall, this is a great choice if you want a reliable, easy to use smart doorbell without spending too much. That's it for today's video on the Blink Video Doorbell. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. I'll be happy to help. Don't forget to like the video if you found it useful and subscribe the channel for more honest tech reviews and guides. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.